derivative of the tan 2x using first principle. Most important 4 marks. Guarantee first principle problem in the public examination. So all of you practice very carefully this problem. So first we take that given problem is equals to f of x. F of x is equal to tan 2x. After that we have to take the value of f of x plus h. What is f of x plus h? F of x plus h means in place of x we take x plus h, that is x plus h, x plus h. F of x plus h is equal to tan 2 into x plus h, and this is equals to, multiply the values here, tan of 2x plus 2h. So this is f of x plus h value. Now we have to find the derivative using the first principle. So first we take the first principle formula. What is the first principle formula? F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now this is the first principle formula. Now in this formula we are substituting the values, that is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h is equals to tan of 2x plus 2h minus f of x is equals to tan 2x by h. This is equals to, now what is tan x? Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x, that is tan 2x plus 2h is equal to sin 2x plus 2h by cos 2x plus 2h minus tan 2x is equals to sin 2x by cos 2x. That is converting the tan function in the form of sin x by cos x. Now this is equals to limit h tends to 0. Take LCM. What is the first value? Sin 2x plus 2h into cos 2x minus cos 2x plus 2h into sin 2x whole by. Now what are the denominator values? Cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x into h. Writing the h also at the same denominator. So this is equals to writing these three values at the same denominator, cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x into h. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0. Now what is this form? This is in the form of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. What is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b? Sin of a minus b. So sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Observe that suppose this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. So this is in the form of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. What is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b? Sin of a minus b. That is sin of a minus b. A is equal to 2x plus 2h and b is equal to 2x whole by cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x into h. Now here 2x and 2x gets cancelled. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0 sin, what is the remaining value? Sin 2h. Sin 2h by cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x into h. Now we separate the terms like that. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0 sin 2h by h. Always we separate the h in the denominator to the sin function. That is, first we take that sin 2h by h into limit h tends to 0. What are the remaining values? Cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. So separating the limit value and fraction like that, limit h tends to 0 sin 2h by h. What is the remaining value? Limit h tends to 0 1 by cos 2x plus h into cos 2x. So this is equals to, now what is the formula? Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x is equals to a. Sin ax by x is equal to a. Now what is the formula for this one? Limit h tends to 0 sin 2h by h. What is a value here? 2. that is 2 into, what is the remaining value? Limit h tends to 0, 1 by cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Now substituting h is equal to 0 in the remaining part, that is 1 by cos 2x plus 0 into cos 2x. Substituting that, h is equal to 0. So that is 2 into 1 by cos 2x into cos 2x is equal to cos square 2x. And 1 by cos square 2x is equal to secant square 2x. Therefore, the answer is equal to secant square 2x. So the value of f dash of x is equal to 2 secant square 2x. This is the answer. Now just to take the verification, what is the given function here? Tan 2x. This is the verification. Tan 2x. What is tan 2x derivative? What is d by dx of tan x? Secant square x. Tan x derivative is equal to secant square x. Tan 2x derivative is equal to secant square 2x. But what is x value? In place of x we have 2x. Again 2x derivative. That is secant square 2x into again 2x derivative 2. That is answer is equal to 2 secant square 2x, 2 secant square 2x. This is the answer obtained by using the first principle formula. This is the answer by applying the formula. Therefore, both answers are same. Very important sum for 4 marks. Next problem, find the derivative of root x plus 1 by using first principle. So this is also most important 4 marks sum. So first I take that f of x is equal to root x plus 1. Then what is f of x plus h? F of x plus h is equals to x plus 1 plus h. In place of x we take x plus 1. Now taking the formula here, f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. And this is equals to limit h tends to 0. Now substituting the values, f of x plus h is equals to root x plus 1 plus h minus f of x is equal to root x plus 1 by h. Now substituting f of x plus h and f of x values. In the next step we take the rationalization, that is root x plus 1 by h minus root x plus 1 by h into root x plus 1 plus h plus root x plus 1 by root x plus 1 plus h plus root x plus 1, and this is equals to limit h tends to 0. Now this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. That is root x plus h plus 1 whole square minus root x plus 1 whole square by h into root x plus 1 plus h plus root x plus 1. Now here square and root gets cancelled. Now what are the remaining values? Limit h tends to 0. Take the remaining values at the numerator first. X plus h plus 1 minus x minus 1 minus of x plus 1 minus x minus 1 by h into square root of x plus 1 plus h plus root x plus 1. Now here x and 1 gets cancelled. So taking the remaining values, limit h tends to 0, h by h into root x plus 1 plus h plus root x plus 1. Now here h and h gets cancelled. Now substituting h is equal to 0 in the remaining answer, that is x plus 1 plus 0 into root x plus 1. That is 1 by root x plus 1 plus 1 by root x plus 1, 1 by root x plus 1 plus root x plus 1, 1 by 2 root x plus 1, root x plus 1 plus root x plus 1, 1 by 2 root x plus 1. Therefore, the value of f dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 root x plus 1. So, this is the answer which is obtained by using the formula, by using the first principle. Now, finding the derivative by direct method. So, root x plus 1 whole dash. What is root x derivative? 1 by 2 root x plus 1. So, root x plus 1 derivative 1 by 2 root x plus 1. Again, x plus 1 whole dash. That is 1 by 2 root x plus 1. X derivative 1. 1 derivative 0. Therefore, the answer is 1 by 2 root x plus 1. So, this is the answer which is obtained by applying the formula. This is the answer obtained by using the first principle. So, both are equal. That's all.